Hello, in this video, we shall discuss the Sandbox Semantic Model Extensions framework in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, demonstrating a practical use case to highlight its features and address common implementation challenges. The Sandbox framework for the semantic model extensions enables users to make changes directly to specific objects, avoiding the need to process multiple steps or to wait for compilation until all modifications are complete. This promotes greater consistency and best practices in the semantic model. It also enhances both the development process with its intuitive graphical modeling capabilities, as well as the user experience by visually organizing the elements within each logical star and subject area. Let's examine the semantic model extensions functionality through a typical workflow for a use case by adding a custom dimension sourced from an augmentation to an existing out-of-the-box subject area. Begin by creating a customization sandbox and then a logical star. Since this use case builds on an existing logical model, select Manage Star and Edit Logical Star. Next, select the out-of-the-box subject area, SCM sales orders in this case, and select the out-of-the-box fact. Click on the Manage dimension to add a new dimension. Select the required columns and keys and then create a hierarchy with the attributes. After that, extend the pre-built fact to expose the physical key column and join the new dimension with the fact in the logical star. Modify the subject area by adding the new customization, which will appear as a folder. Once the changes are applied, merge and publish the model. Prior to publish action, use the Validate Model option to ensure the main sandbox with customizations is error-free. Go to the Activity tab and filter by Validate Model Activity to review the result of the validation. In case of errors in the semantic extensions, an alert banner will immediately appear listing the inconsistencies in the semantic model. Do consider the option to generate and download a CSV report of the semantic model data lineage, including all customizations. The report can serve as a valuable resource for understanding, comparing, and troubleshooting the applied customizations. One common challenge during validation or while applying the sandbox is the missing augmentation column error. This usually occurs when the subject area contains inconsistent references to deleted or unselected augmented columns. Start the investigation by navigating to the corresponding data augmentation and check if it is active. If deleted or inactive, review the audit log to identify when the augmentation was modified, which columns it previously contained, and whether the problematic column was part of it. If the augmentation is still present, review the currently selected columns and confirm that the specific column is included. Accordingly, clean up the concerned logical star and subject area by unchecking the unwanted columns. Once done, apply the sandbox, merge it to the main model, and publish. Confirm the solution by validating the model and ensuring the model is consistent. Another common challenge in the semantic model extensions is the error caused by leading or trailing white spaces in the column names. To resolve this, navigate to the logical star and ensure that no column or table names contain extra spaces in the referenced customization. Be sure to review the updated product documentation on resolving common errors in semantic model extensions for more guidance. This covers the topic on the Sandbox Semantic Model Extensions framework in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence. Thanks for watching this video.